Yeah, hello. Once again, this is Richard Dupey here. I saw something here also for the second plan for Monday special. Here, you can see at event 8:58, they play 47 over there. That 47, the counter is saying 2. So 47. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They play single 5 at second position, 48 at last position. So these two numbers position, then they play 60 in machine. Last week, they only play 71 on the event. 71. So following week we are here. As you can see, the single 5 will jump over there as a full banker to play with our first plan that I've posted, the banker, that is the single 2. The single 5 will jump to play with it. The single 2 is the counter of that 47. But there is something on the event also. You can see the 47 did not play alone. It played with 83. The 83 goes to machine before coming out from the machine. So that become the picking. The pick single 5, 71, then the 83 being a full banker to play with single 5 and then the single 2. Okay. If you come to the current also, you will see that at event 981, that is the 47. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They play the single 5 position, 48 position, then 60 in machine. So last week, that is the single 71 that they play. So now this single 5 is supposed to jump as a full banker to play with this 47. The counter, that is single 2. That is what you're supposed to play with. So single 2, single 5, too short. But at the same time, you notice that this one, when the 47 play, they played the 83 in machine before they came out to play with the numbers. But here, as they play the 47, they play the single 2 itself with it. This is what formed the banker for the first plan, you already know. You will notice that it also play with the 83 that is supposed to play in machine. Play it at the winning. So the 83 is supposed to come. The 47 supposed to counter. That is the single 2. So single 2, 83, single 5, that become the 3 numbers. But single 2, single 5 is the 2 short. It's also here on another event. Here, in the year 2014, also in the Monday special, you can see here they play single 5. Even if you count to the top here, you will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the 83 that play over there, but they play the single 2 in machine rather. So as they play the 5, last week they play 82. So following week the single 2, single 5 will play 2 short over there. Coming to the current also the same thing. The single 5 will play. Then if you count to the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the single 2 will play at winning with the 83. So one, as they play the 82 following week, the single 5, single 2 should play 2 short for you. So this was also one of them. But this is the event that I'm using here. That is event 865. There is even another plan forming at the down here that you can see that they play 60 before playing single 5. 23 play under it. Then following week, the 58 that we use on the first game is on the event. The 23 will repeat to play with the 60 on the event. But at the same time, as that is also another plan, you will notice that they also play 75 first before playing 23. Then the event lock over here. As you can see, come to the current, you see the same 75 before the 23, so it has to lock. But this is the 60, then the single 5 will play 23 under it 23 supposed to repeat to play with the 60. Okay, so but this is the event. Numbers on the event is event 865. Numbers on the event single 2, 83, single 5, 22, and then 59. Single 2, 83, single 5, 22, and then 59. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for the second plan for Monday special. Let's hope for the best. Bye for now.